Thank you very much. So thank you for Capital on Stage. So it's my second time. Glad to be here, not first time. First time was in Berlin. And Munich is of specific, I would say, importance to me. I mean, for two reasons. I mean, first one is we see that the tech scene here in Munich is very strong. Very strong entrepreneur in different type of businesses and specifically in high tech. And on a more personal touch, I've been starting my VC career here in Munich more than 10 years ago with Wellington Partners, a fund here in Munich, where I see a lot of alumni in the room today. And that's a specific, topic and as well a city for that. Maybe just a few words about me before going into venture capital, and I think that this profile gives as well which type of investor you will be working with. I worked for big US companies, disrupting as well at the time the wireless communications out of the US. Then after moving to venture capital, I as well worked a lot already at the time with Partech Ventures. So we had 5 investments together as portfolio companies, and moved to one of the portfolio company of Partech Ventures. It was Brands for France. So we built a global company out of Germany, then ultimately sold it to eBay, as well a US acquirer. And this is important, showing as well that to us it's very important to have as profile working with you, people having knowledge about the entrepreneurship and as well on top of the investment side. So it's a very important point for us. Now about Partech Ventures. Partech Ventures was it's an international global firm investing in disruptive tech companies, digital companies, and it was created in 1982 out of San Francisco. So it's already an old firm in this aspect, but a firm which was reinventing itself. Today, we have offices in San Francisco, Paris, and Berlin. We invest 1/3 in the United States and 2/3 in Europe, so on a transatlantic and pan-European model. We think it's very important because it gives us a way as well to see where innovation goes, and that not only in a few markets, but on a global point of view. So it's a very important point. Now being there since '82, another, I would say, advantage is we went through building companies and selling them. I mean, we have more than 20 IPOs to a history. We have more than 50 sales of companies and more than 100 million. And it helps us as well to understand and move with the market and the change of innovation. Today, we have 3 funds. We're investing from seed to ventures to growth. So that means that we can invest tickets from 200K euro up to 45 million euro. And I think that's a big differentiator as well. That helps us to go very early in the companies, to help them as well deploy and go as well global, with the financing behind. One very important aspect as well is we've built, and we try to keep this innovation as well on our side, not only investing in innovative companies, but we try to keep this innovation as well and put it in work for us. We moved as well into a model which integrates an open innovation platform where we work as well with leading worldwide corporates. And we have more than 20 corporates working and very, very deeply with us, providing a way to grow, providing a way to go further in terms of business development of the companies. And one of these is Accenture, which was announced recently, would join as well part of the club of corporate. And we see that very important as disruption is touching every single segment, which was not the case before, but as today is touching every single segment of business. Working with this group of leading corporates helps a lot as well for the development and bring a platform for the companies. Maybe just about the size, we announced as well the closing of our seed fund, which is 100 million euro, from which we have as well investors like business angels or entrepreneur, and as well big corporate managers that help us to further develop these companies.